Your safety matters to us. Did you know that working smoke alarms is essential for protecting you and your loved ones from the dangers of fire? In Ontario, it's law to have working smoke alarms on every level of your home and outside all sleeping areas. Test your smoke alarms monthly to make sure they're functioning correctly. Let's all do our part in being fire safe. Join us September 28th for Test Your Smoke Alarm Day. It's a perfect time for everyone to test their smoke alarms together. For more information, visit us at cambridge.ca, call us at 519-621-6001, or visit us on Twitter at CambridgeFD.